Moving on, the Aam Aadmi Party is holding a meeting of its Political Action Committee in Delhi to review the party's performance in the Lok Sabha election. While many would say 4 seats in its debut general election is an encouraging sign, and the fact that the party has managed to get a decent vote share in Punjab, Haryana and Delhi, there's also the sense that the party has not done as well as it perhaps could have. This meeting importantly comes amidst reports of a blame game that has broken out within the Aam Aadmi Party, with party workers holding Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia and Sanjay Singh solely responsible for a faulty selection process. Ankit Tyagi is with us. He tracks the Aam Aadmi Party for us. Ankit, overwhelming view and perception that there were some cardinal errors in decision making that may have stopped the Aam Aadmi Party from attaining perhaps a much larger mandate or result from this particular election. One of them is, the giving up the Delhi government, and the other is apparently party workers looking at certain decisions and choices made by Arvind Kejriwal, Sanjay Singh and Manish Sisodia as being faulty and leading to them getting only 4 seats. It could have been a much larger number.
Absolutely no doubt about one thing, Shiv, that the workers within the party do feel that there were some mistakes made. Now, if you go by what senior leadership of the party thinks, they concede that there have been some mistakes that were made, but also saying that this is a political battle and there will be certain times when certain decisions will work in favor of. Also, the party believes that there has been, of course, a massive Modi wave, and you have seen the route BJP has been able to create in UP. Other established parties like the BSP and SP, almost BSP wiped out SP minimum, so was the Congress. So, keeping all that in mind, they are saying that perhaps the bigger mistake than anything else was to leave Delhi open and Arvind Kejriwal going to Banaras. But as far as Kejriwal himself is concerned, he says that they are extremely disappointed only with the performance in Delhi. The party was hoping that if they could have done better in Delhi, their performance, of course, could have been judged as on a much higher ground. As of now, there have been, in the current scenario, of course, with the BJP counting victory, now there is a rethinking going on, and you can see even few heads turning in the days to come.
Thanks, Ankit, for bringing us that report. We'll see what happens after the Political Action Committee of the Aam Aadmi Party meets.